Guys, again I'm waiting for my order. Food order. Guys, today is 24th June 2023. Today is Saturday. Still waiting for my Swiggy order. It will arrive after some time. Below that wala W आ गई. थैंक यू. रुकिए
स्विगी से
ये आपके लिए बिस्किट है मेरे बर्थडे है. Thank you. Hey guys, this is Evewin Lakra. So today is 24th June 2023. Today is Saturday and just now my ordered item arrived. Order food item. This is the Biryani by Kilo restaurant chicken 65 order that I placed this morning, and just now the delivery guy of Swiggy came and delivered the food item. Okay, so let me cut open the seal of my order, and now you can see the Biryani by Kilo outer bag, and then we have mint chutney over here. See, it's written mint chutney. And we also have some salad over here, mint chutney and salad they've provided, and this is the box of chicken 65, nicely packed with the seal, and it was written on their description that it has 8 pieces of chicken 65. So let me open. Guys, let's open the chicken 65 of barbecue by Biryani by Kilo. So guys, let's open the chicken 65 of Biryani by Kilo restaurant. Let's open the seal. Oh wow, looking yummy, huh? Smells awesome. So guys, let me show you how the chicken 65 of Biryani by Kilo restaurant looks. You can see it's looking really yummy and really beautifully they are packed. Over here with the mint chutney. Let me open the mint chutney for you. This is the mint chutney and this is the salad they have provided over here of onions and
chili lemon.
Salad over here. And then what I can do